All right, friends, this week we've been watching videos and learning about Earth Day. And Earth Day is a day that we celebrate our Earth and the beauty of our Earth, and we think about ways that we can help to keep our Earth clean and to make it better, a better place to live. So today you're going to make an Earth Day pledge. So you watched a video with some examples of things you can do to help keep the Earth clean and healthy. Today you're going to fill out something similar to this, but you're going to do it with your paper and pencil at home, so you can make it look however you want. But this says, "My pledge to the earth on this, the 22nd day of April in the year of 2021, I hereby pledge to blank," and then you're going to write your name. So basically you're just going to tell me something that you can do to help keep the earth clean and healthy. So you can say, "I pledge to blank." You're going to make an Earth Day pledge and upload a picture of your work. You're going to tell me something you can do to help keep the earth clean.